How to install Apple Intelligence on iPhone 11 iOS 18. So let's get started. So in order to do that, all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device, and once you're inside the App Store, in the search address bar, search for the Apple developer. Then tap on the Get option available there and download the Apple developer. Now once downloaded, simply tap on the Open option available there and continue. Now all you have to do is tap on the search address bar in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then in the search address bar, search for the iOS 18 update. And simply tap on the any iOS 18 updates and your phone will be updated to the iOS 18 and your Apple Intelligence will be shown there. Now, if this also does not work, then open the Safari app on your mobile device and search for the betaapple.com. And once you search for it, tap on the Apple Beta Software Program option available there. Now sign in using your Apple ID. Once you are signed in, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the iOS 18 beta updates. There you will get to see in blue highlights enroll option available there. Tap on it. Now again scroll down and there you will get to see beta updates option available. Simply tap on it and update your beta. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.